Hi you guys, we are back again with another tutorial. Today we'll be doing a pixie quick weave wig. I will be using a plastic cap to cover the canvas block. I am using a 22-inch, and I will let you guys know that if you are looking to make wigs for your clients, make sure that you get a variety of sizes in the canvas blocks. For this style, I will be using the Velvet Tara 246 2 boxes, and I will be using a 4x4 closure that I had laying around. It's already bleached, and I'm using this because I'm going to try to do a closure with the lace on top. I'm going to part it down the middle because I will not use the entire closure for this style. I'm only going to use a piece of it. So if you part it into 4 different sections, you have 4 different styles that you can use this technique for. For this next section, I will be cutting it into another section down the middle. You want to keep it all even. They will turn out to be squares, but you will see when I install it how the tracks will lay. So all you have to do is just part it again. And I'm going to be using the front part because the closure is not bleached on the back all the way, so I'm going to just go ahead and use the front of it only because it's bleached. And like I said, I had this closure laying around, so I'm going to show you guys right there where it's dark. That section is not bleached, but you can always bleach it later. So just go ahead and use, I'm going to go ahead and use the front part because it's already bleached, and I did over bleach it just a little bit, but I'm just only testing this out just to see how it will turn out. But you can go in with your color tint and tint it down, but I'm just doing this only for demonstration purposes only. So for this one, you will cut the front of the lace off. It's not going to be showing, so it doesn't have to be neat. Just cut it off and then spread it open so that you can see how the top will lay. And you're going for a skin tone so that it can look more natural, because I wanted to see how it will look this way, and I wanted to try something different. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my dome cap on the canvas block. I'm using the number 5017. This is more so of your medium 23-inch head. So put the plastic cap on to protect your block. And this is the middle. This is kind of a reference point. So I'm going to use my T-pin to lock the dome cap down so that it's easier to apply. Don't stretch the cap too much because it will be too big. So just kind of put it on there snug, but don't stretch it out too much. So now I'm going to tighten the cap just a little bit, and you don't have to do this. This is optional, but I'm making this wig for me, and I know what fits my head. I don't like the cap to be buckled and have any humps and bumps in it. So I'm going to take my glue and pull that cap tight so that I don't have to worry about any bumps down the road or any tracks buckling up. So this is what you're going to do. You don't have to do this, but this is optional. I do this for me because I know how it fits on. Now you are going to begin sewing down that closure. I am using the nylon thread to thread this down. Make sure that you go through the lace because you can rip it if you don't go in enough. So just take your time and sew this down. But anytime that I'm doing a wig, I try to let people know ahead of time that the wig may be too big or too small. A lot of the time whenever you make a wig for someone, it's a possibility that the wig may shrink or be too small. If you have this problem, it's only because whenever you make these quick weave wigs, it is very important that the wig stay on and mold down to your head at least a full day or 2 days at a time. Most of the time when I make these wigs for myself, I keep the wig on for about 2 days because you want to give the glue time to completely dry, and you want it to mold to your head. Now you're going to part it so that you can go ahead and see the top. This is where you're going to close off. So instead of using a normal closure, you're using a lace closure instead, and this gives it an illusion that it is your natural scalp. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay down my tracks. Again, I'm using the Velvet Tara 246 for this style, and I don't have the box because I'm using pieces that I already had in the salon. I'm doing this for you guys because I have a lot of you guys that ask me about making wigs for yourself, because I know a lot of you guys are home doing this on yourself or making wigs for your clients. This is another option that can help you as well. But just take your time and lay down the tracks. I will be speeding up the video shortly just because I've done this before. So if you haven't watched my previous videos on how I stretch my tracks, I do demo that, and I will link all of the videos in the description box for you guys. So just sit back and relax, take notes, and rewind it back as many times as needed. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. To all of my loyal subscribers that's been here the entire time, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram for all of my updated information, videos, and pictures. Again, I appreciate you guys so much. And also, please leave your feedback so that I know what you guys like, what you want to see, any special requests. And if you are in the Atlanta area, or if you want to visit me at my South Carolina location, I am servicing all clients in South Carolina only once per month. So please contact me before you book. But my primary location is Atlanta. You can get appointments daily and weekly. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of spice. I'm going to be using a strip. This is only green dye by Adore. I think it's called Green Apple. I can't really remember. I had this here already, so I'm just going to use it because I love this color. But you will need to put that on top of 613 to make it stand out and be vibrant. But you can use any color that you want, or you don't have to at all. But I just want to add it in just to kind of see how it pops. Right now you're going to go in and open your lace closure. You're going to make a parting down the middle. I kind of wish I would have did it a little bit bigger, but I'm going to use my Aunt Jackie Frizz Patrol to lay down this lace closure. But I think the next time around I will use a bigger one so that I can have a bigger part. But for this purpose, it's only for me trying it out just to see how it is, and I think it looks very nice, look very natural. But I will be trying it again. So yeah, just kind of comb that hair down, and if you notice, I'm not spreading that foam wrap lotion throughout the ends. I'm just kind of putting it at the base of the closure just to kind of lay it down. The point of this is to cover the tracks.